That's Just Penny here. It has been a long time since I've done a video, but guess what? I'm back. I have been doing all kinds of different things with the junk. I'm still doing the junk journal ministry and still producing kits. So if you haven't checked out the new kits, please go check out the Patreon and the website, and you will see the new kits. This is one. It's been quiet. I've not been on YouTube or posting videos much because I have been working on the natural health side of That's Just Penny, because I have been producing e-guides and e-books and pockets and self-care and stuff like that. So, but I have new kits for you, and I have been dyeing papers. Look at all this beautifully junk journal papers I've been working on. Yes, this is tea dyed. It's tea, and it looks like coffee, but it's not. And it's dark tea. So look at all that. Look at, isn't that fun? And listen to that sound. Woohoo! So that's going to be a journal that I'm working on. But I wanted to show you what I'm working on, or what I just finished, just come off the printing. Super excited. It's God's Love cards and envelopes, and it has junk journal. See this little it says junk journal, the little wax seal. Yeah, so you'll be seeing that from That's Just Penny. So if you see that, you know that there's junk journal pages and all kinds of good stuff in here for junk journals. So this is scriptures. Super excited. And look at the scripture cards. Oh my gosh, these turned out, and the camera will not display, but these turned out so super cute. They got all these little girls in them, little cute little ladies, right? So there are scriptures, and here is envelope. Yes, the envelopes. And then here are the little these little girls. They all have been sized to fit the envelope. Okay. And then there's some graph paper that I'm going to glue to the envelope before I cut the envelope out. There's several different envelopes, the same envelope style, just different papers, right? Look at this paper. I love this paper. This is paper that you can print out for a journal cover. This is, or scrapbook paper, however that you want. And now we have a 5x8 journal pages of the same little design that the scripture cards are made from. So yes, everything is meant to fit inside. So I took all of this design and turned them into a 5x8 journal pages, and you just print these out and fold them, and it'll cut the white off, and you have a journal page. Super excited. This I designed the blank, like the plain paper to go, you can print those and put them on back and front if you want. Alright, this one is so pretty. Look at the girls, they're so pretty. So here I'm just showing you them, trying to get through them. This is the blank one. Now these are the journal pages, and you notice that it does have, if you can see, it does have the distressed edges, just a little bit, where that you can do your own thing. Here's the next one, and I have included index cards. That's what these are. They're a green that matches the kit, and they do fit in the envelope. So everything was designed to fit inside the envelopes. Now the journal, of course, you can make it and use the pages however that you want. But let me pull out one of these envelopes, as you may can see. So these were made to fit inside there. The scripture cards, so I'm going to show you. Here is some little typewriter cards that has the scriptures at the top. These will fit in there as well. They'll fit in the envelopes. Some little embellishments to fit inside the envelopes or on the envelopes. And then we have scriptures. And these scriptures are about, not necessarily about God's love, but also loving yourself, right? So it's kind of self-love, God's love type of kit. And that's what these scriptures are for. So I hope you check it out.